Are you looking forward to join FIFA World Cup 26 WhatsApp group? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily join WhatsApp group for FIFA World Cup 2026. First thing first, move into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Here in the address bar, you need to search for FIFA World Cup Fantasy WhatsApp group. And then you need to head over to the very first site. Once you click on the site, you will automatically lead to WhatsApp. It will show you the WhatsApp group. In order for you to follow, click on Follow Channel at the bottom of the screen. Well, now you have been the member of this group as well. You can see 9.3 million followers follow this group. In this inbox, you will be able to see tons of different information about the FIFA World Cup 2026. If you click on the username, you will be able to see tons of different followers. You can get any new update and information from this group. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.